Good morning to all. This is my third video related to modal auxiliaries, and through this video further we will learn the use of other modal auxiliaries. So in this video the first use which we are going to learn, that is of may. This is not a new word for us. We are already familiar with this word. So now I am going to explain what are the uses of this word. Firstly, it is used to express permission. May I come in, sir? And also granting the permission. You may not go. Next is possibility. He may come today. It means any time he may come today. आ सकता है पॉसिबिलिटी के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, संभावना, आ भी सकता है नहीं भी आ सकता. टू इंडिकेट पर्पस. वी ईट फॉर व्हाट? व्हाई वी ईट? दैट वी मे लिव. सो दिस सेंटेंस, by using the word may, we are telling the purpose of eating. To express wish, faith and hope. May you live long. May his soul rest in peace. And one more thing, student, you have noted down that when we use the modal auxiliary may to express wish, faith and hope, after that we have to apply the mark of exclamation at the end of sentence. The next is might. As we know very well that might is past form of may. May, might. So it is also used to express a suggestion. He might join college. To express less possibility. May is used for strong possibility and might is used for to express less possibility. He might win a prize. The next use of might is to express purpose. He worked hard that he might live. This is used in past tense, and may, we learned that we used may for presenting our purpose in a present tense. Next is to express permission. Might I begin my lecture? To express गेस, जब हम अनुमान लगाते हैं, गेस करते हैं, दैट माइट बी द पियोन, दैट माइट बी द beggar, दैट माइट बी द पॉटर. When we see an unknown person and by just judging his physique, we just guess. So we use might, that might be the peon. Our next word is must. Must is used to express compulsion. You must carry out my orders. We must love our country. Next is determination. I must finish the work next Tuesday at any cost. Next is strong. For strong, to express strong possibility. There must be some mistakes somewhere. When we, for example, if a student is unable to solve a sum of maths, then he would think, and by this way there must be some mistakes somewhere. That's why he could not be able to solve his or her sum. नेक्स्ट इज टू एक्सप्रेस ड्यूटी. जब हमने किसी को उसकी ड्यूटी के रिगार्डिंग रिमेंबर करवाना होता है. यू मस्ट फॉलो ऑर्डर्स ऑफ योर सीनियर्स, कि आपका कर्तव्य क्या है, आपका काम क्या है. एंड नेक्स्ट इज टू एक्सप्रेस द नेसेसिटी. I must improve my writing skills. If so many teachers are pointing out a student continuously for his or her bad handwriting, then it would become necessary for that students to improve his or her handwriting. Next is ought. Students, ought is not used alone. It is always followed by a to infinitive. It means the exact modal auxiliary is not ought to, exactly it is ought to. The main quality of ought to is that it is not forceful as must. जैसे कि must की modal auxiliary किसी को बड़ी स्ट्रेस दे के उसकी ऑब्लिगेशंस के लिए, ड्यूटीज के लिए यूज की जाती है. ought to इस सेंस में यूज नहीं होता. सो इट इज नॉट फोर्सफुल. एंड बट इट इज स्ट्रोंगर देन शुड. ये शुड से स्ट्रोंगर होती है. एंड इट इज यूज्ड फॉर व्हाट? टू एक्सप्रेस फर्स्टली ड्यूटी. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ड्यूटी? मॉरल ऑब्लिगेशंस. You ought to love your elders. Next sense is for probability. To express probability, we use ought to, and to give advice. Let's go through with the help of examples. We ought to be finished by this afternoon. The person ought to be humble. The main quality of ought to is that it is generally points to present and future time. But if we are desire to point out the past time, then it is followed by the perfect infinitive. It's mean have plus past participle. You ought to have helped him. The meaning of this line is that it was your duty to help him, but you didn't. Next modal auxiliary is dare. Dare means sahas or himmat. It's mean to be bold enough to. Normally this is used in interrogative as well as negative sentences. Dare he fight with me? उसमें इतनी हिम्मत है कि मेरे साथ लड़े. She does not dare speak to her father. The next modal auxiliary is need. Need is used to express necessity. Necessity mean आवश्यकता, जरूरत. In negative and interrogative sentences. So main common thing is the use of dare and need is both are used in negative and interrogative sentences to express their expression. For example, he need not go. It does not take s in the main quality of need is that it doesn't take s in the third person singular present tense. Let's understand this rule with the help of this example. See, he need not go. Here he is third person and this is present tense, but this is our subject is singular. This is third person, but I didn't apply s after need. So this rule is explaining the main terms. It does not take s in the third person singular present tense. Need I go there? The last use of modal auxiliary, that is used to. used to होता है आदी हो जाना, जैसे मुझे आदत होगी, आदी था, मैं ऐसे करता था, खेलता था, कर. Firstly, the use of used to is to express past habit. जब हम अपने किसी past, when we discuss with our friends regarding our past habit, हम किसी को बताते हैं कि हम क्या करते थे जब हम बचपन में थे. I used to play in that playground when I was child. Next, to express the existence of something in the past. जब किसी चीज की existence को शो करना हो. बच्चे, when we express the existence of something in the past, इसमें कि जब हम गेस करते हैं यहाँ पे कुछ होना चाहिए था, पास्ट में होता था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, there used to be a open ground long ago. So at last, I would like to clarify the difference between can and may. As we learned that can and may both are used to ask the permission. But what's the main difference? The main difference is that may is more formal word. Formally, we used may when we meet our seniors and ask permission. For example, when we enter in the room of teacher, in the room of principal, staff, then we use may I come in? May I use your pen, madam? May I use your pen, sir? But can is not a very formal word, but is also used to ask permission. For example, when we use the pen of our friend, before using, we normally ask our friend that, can I use your pen? Both words are still used in possibility sense. Possibility की sense में, to show the possibility, he can come anytime, he may come anytime. It means both these words can be used alternatively. Thank you. Have a nice day.